sisters, how are you all doing today? That's really wonderful. I would like to thank Ali English House Academy for giving me an opportunity to develop my personality. Today I am going to say myself international. My name is Muhammad Uzair Pasha. I am studying in 3rd standard B section. My father's name is Imran Pasha. My mother's name is Parveen Khanam. My favorite color is blue. My favorite food is biryani. My best friend is Ali and Sufyan. My Arabic Hazrat is Abdul Razik Hazrat. Thank you for listening to me patiently.